Talus good. Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, Oak Brook Medical Group in Oak Brook, Illinois, and I'm here with George. Actually came in initially for some ankle and foot pain. So for right now, what you guys are going to do is actually see me adjust his ankle. It's always fun because it's one of those things, there's so many little bones in that ankle. Once we get adjusted, it kind of feels like you're walking on clouds. So, are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do it. Hop up there, please. Nice. There we go. So getting that heel in and out. Talus good. There's some noise.